I don't know.
We need a ride along.
What is up, guys? We in here in the Subi. Oh shit! Don't
Hey, don't hit us, man.
What are we doing today? We haven't made a vlog in a while. This is a daily vlog right now.
We doing something nice.
What we doing? What we doing?
Well, you gotta tell the people what they want.
Oh yeah, I like the way that sounds.
That sounds different, real simple.
We gotta get before and after.
Oh yeah, we will. Guys, today we doing a little muffler hack on DT.
First hack on the channel.
I've never done one of these hacks, bro. I don't know how this works.
So what's up, guys? We're in the, oh my bad, DT. We in Lowe's right now. We over here, you already know. Lowe's. DT, what we getting for you, boy?
You know we getting these washers, boy.
Heard that. Hey, man. You getting, bro? What are you doing, bro? Get the fuck out of here, nigga. This is what you got. This isn't washers, nigga.
No, they have washers on it, but I don't know.
Like those
You know what size? Boy,
It just has to go through this.
we don't even know what size washers are.
Like get 2 or 3.
Is that the size you're supposed to get?
I don't even know.
It just has to fit through here. That's it.
For real?
So how you know it's gonna fit?
Because the fucking thing is not that big. To me.
Not to me, nigga.
Alright, good piece.
To you, nigga.
For all my younger generations on YouTube. So one time there was a nut and there was a bolt.
That's the nut. That's the bolt, nigga. That's the
He said
nut.
there was a nut, but there was a bolt.
Whichever one it is.
Pause, bro.
But
How you gonna have a nut and a bolt with the
Life,
same thing?
You're gonna have to go like this to make something out of
But it
the
doesn't
two
fit.
contractions.
But it doesn't fit.
And when you put this, you get something out of this. You get something very.
Those the right ones, bro?
I'm getting 2 different ones.
The different ones just to see?
But I feel like these are too small.
You think?
Yeah. I feel like these ones are too small.
Oh, like the hole is too small?
Like this.
They trying to get us copyrighted.
What are these?
Oh. Those are larger holes?
I think so. Looks like it. It might be like, it's literally like a little,
Like a little bit bigger?
yeah, like literally a little bit bigger.
Like get those ones
How many
instead.
did I get? Three, there's 6 of them.
Look at these prices, guys. 13 cents?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Favorite time of year.
I'm about to put one of these motors in the Subi. You can
Thanks.
like this. I'm pulling up. Pulling up to the meat like, what's up, son?
Facts.
Oh yeah, that's you wet. Beep, beep. Man, we're doing this shit in the parking lot, nigga.
The Lowe's parking lot.
Lowe's parking lot install?
All right, guys. Today we're doing a Lowe's.
Feel that vibe.
We're doing a Lowe's install video in their parking lot, man. On the muffler. You're not even pointed at me, bro. It's not even there.
Yeah, it
No,
is.
it's not, bro. You had it.
It's literally right on you, Oh, it's actually moving this time.
Yeah.
I peeped that.
It's because I got it to move fucking when we was at Rogers.
You did?
Yeah.
Hype, bro.
Gang, 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 gang. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
You even see, bro?
Yeah.
I get that close up.
Yeah, what? What the fuck is
Up there, bro.
Yo, watch out, bro.
Yo, so I got the gorilla penis. Oh, no.
Huh, yeah. This is the before? got cracked. First one, dude. Alright.
So now,
That's the first one.
now we're about to get it. About to get it.
Yo, you're gay for
You got it off?
I'm rusty shit.
Dead ass. Look, this was before, and that was after. Back to the other side now. Come on. Sometimes you have two
Try to keep my
sides.
shit straight, bro.
You should.
Bro, you should. Yo, now we got here a start of it.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna do.
We'll do like that.
This
hell
on?
Call Rusty's for all your bumper ointment and rusty needs.
Wait.
Yo, it sounds like a Subi Rumble.
Yeah.
Yo, leave it like that, bro. Yo, fuck the washers, bro.
It sounds just like a fucking
You
wreck.
want to hear it outside? Here, take
I'll
it
do
outside.
I'll
I
do
got it.
I'll do
I want to do it.
I want to do it. Bro, it sounds wild, bro.
Yeah.
Let me get your reaction, bro. Bro.
Let's see what it sounds like with it.
Good too.
Yeah. That's what the other guy put too, so.
So just put the washers where you put them, right?
In between here. Maybe I need 3. I'm gonna do
Maybe
3.
3, yes, so it'll be a bigger space. Was it when, like, around that time? This nigga was driving?
It was a little before that.
Before? Oh, never mind.
It was after you heard me pass by.
No, I said before. It was good.
What is it?
I'm just go with the name kings and then I'm gonna save money to get the handles.
Fucking cut myself again, bro.
Again?
There you go. Car life be like.
So after the washers in,
Sounds
yo, you have pops, bro.
Do it again. One more time. You like it better with the washers or without?
Hear this shit, bro.
Oh shit, this is hilarious. Heard that. Heard that. I'm putting this shit down. We going to drive again.
Alright guys, so you heard it here first. You already know what time it is. First exhaust mod, in case you guys really want to see what we did. DT put the washers right there in between the flanges, between the muffler and the Y pipe.
Boy,
So how you feeling?
that boy feel the vibe.
He feeling that Subi gang. I'm gonna ride with DT. I don't know about you.
Alright, word.
This is my wave, yeah. This is my wave. This is my stage, yeah. This is my wave. Get out my face, yeah. This is my wave. This is my wave, yeah. This is my wave. This is my wave, yeah.